Let us analyze the question on the board on the word problem. It says the sum of three consecutive numbers is 42. Find the largest number. Now, given a problem like this, how do you get started is key. And I'm faced with such a problem, what I simply do is, since the numbers are not known, I simply make a guess and make a suggestion by assuming the number to be x. I can decide to use any letter. Now, since they are consecutive numbers, it means one number after a time. So I could say a simple way of solving a problem like this: let the numbers let the numbers be x. The first will be x, the next will be addition of 1, that is x plus 1, the next will be x plus 2. So I'm adding 1 to each of the numbers. Since it is called consecutive, that means one after the next, next after next. So the first number represents x, the next is x plus 1, the next is x plus 2. So having obtained this, so it means they said sum of three consecutive. Now three consecutive numbers, these are the three, 1, 2, 3. That means if I add 1, 2, 3, it is supposed to give me 42. So what does it mean? It means x plus 1 plus x plus 2. These are the three numbers. When I add them together, it is supposed to give me 42. So let's collect like terms. X plus x plus x will give me a 3x. 1 plus 2 gives me a 3. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 42. Let's collect like terms. 3x is equal to 42 plus 3 crosses over, it becomes a minus 3. So 3x is equal to 42 minus 3 is 39. So dividing both sides by 3, 3 cancels 3, 3 cancels 39, that is 13 times. So it means x is equal to 13. Now we have established x to be 13. What does it mean? If I replace x to be 13, it means the numbers will be 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 13 plus 2 gives me 15. So the numbers automatically are 13, 14, and 15, of which when I add them together is going to equate to 42. Now the question is, find the largest number. The largest number in this case is 15. So option C is the correct answer.